Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise on InShot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first of all, I'm going to open the draft I have created in my InShot. Okay, this is my draft, and we're going to remove background noise of this video. So we can go to the volume option, this one. Okay, and you just need to click on the noise. Okay, and this is the result, but before it I'm going to show you the original one. So this is the original video, and I'm going to denoise it like this. Okay, and this is the result. I know it's not totally remove the background noise of this video, but at least the background noise is reduced. And if you are not satisfied with the result, you can save your video. Then you can import this video to your InShot project, and you can do the same step. You can click on volume and click on the noise again until you get the result as you want. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove background noise on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.